insurance is a scam. I think most people share this sentiment now, no matter what part of the world you're in. But here in America, it especially feels like a scam. First off, you need a car here. Unless you live in New York or some city I've never heard of that actually has a public transportation network, it's impossible to get around unless you have a car or can use a car. And also, I don't think public transportation in New York is people's first pick. I want to die. So basically, for most people in America, you need to buy a car. Even if you get a cheap car, like 5 to 10 grand, if you're under 25, you're probably gonna be paying at least $150 a month to insure this thing. And if you're a man, probably more, because they can discriminate based on gender because of statistics, which frankly, I do agree with. I think men generally drive more recklessly, but if you're a guy who doesn't drive recklessly, it sucks to suck. You should have picked the right gender at birth. So now, on top of gas and or electricity and or whatever car payment you have, you're also paying at least $150 a month for this thing. And the car's most common use is probably driving to work and back. Did I mention you're also legally required to have car insurance? And did I mention that if you use your insurance that you pay for, your rates go up? So not only are you paying more because you're either young or male, if you get a minor fender bender, you're better off not even using your insurance because you don't know how high your monthly rates will go up. So you pay for this thing monthly. And if you use that thing, it goes up. And the only way to lower it is not use it. What am I paying for if I can't use it? And then if you get a ticket, it also goes up. Now this makes some sense, okay? Like if you're recklessly driving, yeah, you should probably be paying more for your insurance because you're a higher risk. But my issue with this is that minor speeding tickets also apply to this. In the United States, it's collectively agreed upon by drivers that the speed limit is merely a suggestion. In the same way a yellow light could mean speed up depending how close you are. I have not driven on a single highway in America or been on a single highway in America where at least half the traffic is not going 80 miles an hour in a 65. That's what happens when you design a highway to be a goddamn racetrack. If you build a racetrack, I'm gonna race on it. And before you say, that's crazy, I never do 80 miles an hour. Have you ever been to Wyoming? Okay, probably not, but the speed limit there is 80 in most places. And the highway is the same width as most places in America. If you don't want me to speed, make the roads make me not want to speed. I don't do it on purpose. It just happens because it feels safe to do so. And then on top of that, everyone else is doing it too. If you're just doing a thing that everyone else does, and I mean everyone, that's technically illegal, on top of getting a bullshit ticket for going 9 over, your insurance also goes up. I get it. Speeding is bad. But that's what the ticket is for. To tell me it's bad, not my insurance going up. Also, quick side rant. If you go 60 miles an hour in this lane, you're an asshole. I don't care if you think you're making things safer. Get the fuck out of my speeding lane. Also, subscribe to the channel and like the video if you're new here. Thank you. Now, an insane fact in the US car insurance industry, your credit score affects your car insurance rates. So if you're a teenager with garbage credit, have fun paying more for something that you're legally required to have. And also, if your credit score is bad, you're probably not in a good position to even be paying more for your car insurance. This is actually just stupid, because how does my credit predict how good of a driver I am? This literally makes no sense. It'd be like taking my driving ability in GTA 5 into account on my driving test. Yeah, I run people over in GTA, okay? Doesn't mean it's gonna happen in real life. Okay, it was one time, and she was crossing the street really slow. Okay, she kind of had it coming. Now this part is totally anecdotal, but these insurance companies seem to avoid paying out like the plague. People in my life told me that and the internet told me that. So, what's the point in me paying thousands of dollars a year if when I actually need to use it, you make it the most difficult process imaginable? I am legally required to buy car insurance. And if I use this said car insurance, my insurance goes up. So I'm paying more for something I'm legally required to have. If I'm a man, I pay more for car insurance. If I'm under 25, I pay more for car insurance. If I get a minor ticket, I pay more for car insurance. If my credit score goes down, I pay more for car insurance. Car insurance is a fucking scam. Thank you for watching the video. If you're new here, make sure you like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And check the end screens down, check out more of my content, and have a great rest of your day.